Welcome to the MS51 series installation tutorial. In this segment, we will cover a new installation. In the box, you will find the MS51 sensor, silicone gasket, batteries, screw pack, and user's guide. For new installations, install the appropriate mounting box or electrical box. BEA sells surface mount boxes specifically designed to be compatible with Magic Switch touchless actuators. These boxes can achieve IP65 rating and come with reduced depth and rounded corners for better aesthetics. These are available in single gang, double gang, jam, and 6-inch round. If installing the jam version and using an electrical box, the cutout dimensions are 1.5 inches wide by 2 7/8 inches high and 1 inch depth minimum. Insert the two provided AA batteries. Make the necessary dip switch adjustments. By default, dip switches are set to the off position. Dip switch 1 configures detection distance. The off position is long range mode, and the on position is short range mode. When dip switch 1 is in the off position, detection distance is 10 to 12 inches. When dip switch 1 is in the on position, detection distance is 5 to 6 inches. Dip switch 2 configures the LED battery life indicator, applicable to alkaline battery replacements only. When dip switch 2 is in the off position, the battery life indicator is in multicolor mode. Upon activation, the LED will flash either green, orange, or red. Green indicates full battery. Orange indicates the need to change batteries. And red indicates the end of battery life. When dip switch 2 is on, the battery life indicator is in unicolor mode. Upon activation, the LED will flash green 1, 2, or 3 times. One flash indicates full battery. 2 flashes indicate the need to change batteries. 3 flashes indicates the end of battery life. Dip switch 3 covers immunity. These immunity modes mitigate environmental disturbances such as bright sunlight, rain, water spray, or snow. When dip switch 3 is in the off position, the sensor is in high immunity mode. When dip switch 3 is in the on position, the sensor is in low immunity mode. Strip the wires. Connect activation wires from the door control or transmitter to the terminal block, polarity free on the MS51, and then tighten the screws on the terminal block. If used, place the transmitter back in the box. Install the MS51 assembly on the box. Observe the orientation of the assembly as well as each individual component. Secure with the provided screws and test functionality.